there, Lisa here from Echo Consulting, and today I wanted to show you just briefly how to freeze a column in Smartsheet. So oftentimes if we have a sheet that has a lot of columns and we're doing a lot of scrolling back and forth to see things that are way over on the right, and then we lose visibility on our initial columns, and so we're constantly scrolling back and forth, and that's a pain and a huge time waster. So what we can do is freeze a column. So let's say I want to freeze everything from the project name over to the left. So the project name and the number, you're going to hover over the column that's the most on the right of the one that you want to freeze. And you can click on the three dots up here and select freeze column. You can also right click on the header here and click freeze column, and you'll see that as you scroll back and forth, you are still going to see a project name and number. And let's say that I've been working on this a while and I just decided that that's not enough. I also want to see the department, the status, and the percent complete. I would just hover over percent complete and I would say freeze, and you'll see that now all of those columns are frozen. And if I want to change it, I want to go back to department, have that one be the most, the one that's locked, the last one that's locked. I can unfreeze that here. And then what happens here is that it unfreezes everything. So I have to go back up to department and freeze the column again. All right. Super quick, super easy, and very, very helpful. Will save you a lot of scrolling and hopefully some time and energy moving forward. Hope this video helped. Please subscribe to our Echo channel if you'd like to learn more about Smartsheet. We put out new videos just about every week, and certainly reach out to us if you'd like some help with your Smartsheet solution. Thanks for watching.